Here it is, my brand new 2021 Tesla Model S Plaid. Just got it back. It's only got 50 miles on it. I've got XPEL PPF, Ultimate Plus, Ceramic Fusion Plus coating, and some awesome Pinnacle tint all around. 15% on all four doors, 15% on the rear hatch, and 50% on the front windshield. My favorite part is blacking out the Tesla badge. I even blacked out the Plaid emblem in the back. The ceramic coating extends all the way around, including the wheels and all the trim. The car has such a wide, mean stance. In certain light, you can see that I have the XPEL on the rear quarter panels as well as the rockers, just to prevent the rock chips. I've got the XPEL on the mirrors. This is the daily driver. You can see in this light we got the ceramic coating on the rims, keeps the brake dust to a minimum. With 50% on the front windshield, there's still plenty of visibility in the daylight. With the metallic flakes, I feel like the car changes color from angle to angle, sunlight to darkness. Should I be there on that highway?